Welcome back to the Calm Mind channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common struggle that many of us face, waking up early and feeling well rested. We all know how challenging it can be to drag ourselves out of bed in the morning, especially when we're still feeling tired. But fear not. In this video, we'll be sharing some valuable tips and tricks to help you wake up early and start your day feeling energized and refreshed. Before we dive into the tips, let's take a moment to understand why waking up early and well-rested is so important. When we get a good night's sleep, our bodies have time to repair and rejuvenate. It sets the tone for the entire day, influencing our mood, productivity, and overall well-being. So, let's make the most out of our mornings and seize the day. Stop snoozing. Now, let's tackle the first tip to help you wake up early and well-rested: stop snoozing. We've all been there, hitting that snooze button over and over again, trying to steal a few more minutes of precious sleep. But did you know that snoozing can actually make you feel more tired? That's where the Sleep Cycle app comes in. Instead of abruptly waking you up, this app analyzes your sleep patterns and wakes you up at the end of a sleep cycle, when you're in a lighter phase of sleep. By waking up during this phase, you'll feel more refreshed and ready to start your day. Here's how it works. Simply set your desired wake-up time in the app, place your phone on your mattress or nearby, and let Sleep Cycle do its magic. It uses the microphone or accelerometer in your phone to monitor your movements and determine which sleep phase you're in. When it senses that you're in a lighter phase of sleep close to your wake-up time, it gently wakes you up with a soothing alarm. You can customize the alarm sound, choose from a variety of soothing melodies, or even wake up to your favorite song. Sleep Cycle also provides detailed sleep analysis, so you can track your sleep quality and make adjustments to improve it over time. By using the Sleep Cycle app, you can say goodbye to that groggy feeling in the morning. Instead, you'll wake up at the optimal time, feeling more energized and ready to take on the day. So, let's make a pact to stop snoozing and start using the Sleep Cycle app. Trust me, your mornings will never be the same again. Get enough sleep. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule is crucial for a good night's rest and waking up feeling refreshed. But how do you determine the right amount of sleep you personally need? Well, it may vary from person to person. One way to find out is by using a sleep tracker device or simply keeping a sleep journal. For a week, make note of the time you go to bed and the time you wake up. Pay attention to how you feel in the morning. Are you still tired? Do you feel refreshed? This will help you identify patterns and determine the optimal amount of sleep for your body. Once you've figured out your ideal sleep duration, the next step is to establish a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Creating a sleep-friendly environment is also important. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Consider using blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out any unwanted light. And if noise is an issue, try using earplugs or a white noise machine to create a peaceful atmosphere. Establishing a bedtime routine can also signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Engage in relaxing activities before bed, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing meditation. Avoid stimulating activities or screens at least 2 hours before bedtime, as the blue light can interfere with your sleep. Remember, getting enough sleep is essential for your overall well-being. It allows your body to repair and rejuvenate, and it sets the foundation for a productive day ahead. So, let's prioritize our sleep and make it a non-negotiable part of our daily routine. Rehydrate and get the blood flowing. These simple habits can make a big difference in how you feel in the morning. First things first, as soon as you wake up, reach for a glass of water. After hours of sleep, our bodies can become dehydrated, and drinking water first thing in the morning helps replenish those lost fluids. Water not only hydrates your body but also kickstarts your metabolism, helping you feel more awake and alert. So, make it a habit to keep a glass of water by your bedside, ready to go as soon as you wake up. Now, let's talk about getting the blood flowing. Engaging in some light exercise in the morning can help increase your energy levels and jumpstart your day. You don't need to hit the gym or do anything too intense. Simple activities like stretching, going for a short walk, or doing a quick workout routine can do wonders for waking up your body and mind. Deep breathing exercises are another great way to oxygenate your body and increase alertness. Take a few moments to inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this a few times to feel more awake and focused. And if you're a coffee lover like me, a cup of coffee in the morning can provide an extra boost. Just remember to enjoy it in moderation and be mindful of how it affects your sleep quality. By rehydrating and getting the blood flowing, you're setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. These simple habits can help you feel more energized and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Avoid screens before bed. In today's digital age, it's become all too common to spend our evenings glued to our devices. But did you know that this can negatively impact our sleep quality? The artificial blue light emitted by our screens, such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops, can interfere with our body's natural sleep-wake cycle. It suppresses the production of melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate our sleep. To ensure a restful night's sleep, it's important to establish a screen-free period before bedtime. Ideally, aim for at least 2 hours without screens before you plan to sleep. But we understand that sometimes it's hard to completely avoid screens, especially if you have work or other commitments. In such cases, there are apps and settings that can help mitigate the impact of blue light. One popular app is Twilight, which adjusts the color temperature of your screen to a warmer tone as the evening progresses. This helps reduce the amount of blue light emitted, making it easier on your eyes and sleep quality. Another option is f.lux, a software that automatically adjusts the color temperature of your computer screen based on the time of day. It's available for various operating systems and can be a great tool to reduce blue light exposure. In addition to avoiding screens, it's also important to create a relaxing bedtime routine. Engage in activities that promote relaxation, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing meditation. These activities can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. And if you find it hard to resist the temptation of screens, try keeping your bedroom a screen-free zone. Charge your devices outside of the bedroom and create a peaceful environment that promotes restful sleep. Conclusion. So, there you have it, folks. We've covered some valuable tips and tricks to help you wake up early and well-rested. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to waking up early and feeling well-rested. Remember, it's all about consistency and finding what works best for you. Thank you for joining us in this video. We hope you found these tips helpful. Now, go out there and seize the day with a good night's sleep behind you. Sleep well, wake up refreshed, and we'll see you in the next video.